So I'm gonna go through a few of them with you. A few emojis here is more friendly, is white. We have these animated cards, and then looks a bit happy, friendly, and then here you register your interest. Now you register your interest to me. If you are building this for yourself, you're gonna register it as a code. It can be a code, or it can be a booking, it can be anything. So basically, this is the template that you can use for your business. So what you need to do is just copy them and then paste it in your favorite AI and say, this is my website, or this is my business, this is what I want to do. Build me a website that will look like this. And then this is a landing page. So it's one pager. It's basically, it is what you see. Now, if you build a website, it's a bit more complex. What I want to focus on today is non-technical people. So, for example, you like this and say, hey, I want something like this for my business. You just come here, copy this, say, build me something similar to this. And that's a good start for you. Or you can give this to someone that does a good job, or you've been working with them before, and say, hey, I like this template, I want something like this. And that will be a good start for them. I'm not making any money out of this anyway, so unless one of you actually contact me and say, hey, I want that. So we do have for a dentist. This is what it is. It's a simple landing page. You're running ads, you build a landing page, it's like this, or with your own branding and colors, but this style, everything is animated, very user-friendly, very simple, talk on his own, it has character. Here we have for the removalist, code faster, is more techy looking, and then we have the cleaning, more friendly. I reckon it's childish. I don't know who will take something like this. It's either a tech business, probably not for a cleaning business, unless they are doing cleaning for kindergartens, or they are doing something related to kids, or tech. Tech, old school, that's pretty much what it is. Now we have property management, very profi, good looking. You have a property management business. You have something like this, very simple. From here you get your leads. You probably have a login for your tenants or for your property managers. And that's pretty much it. Here we go. Now this is the real estate one. Obviously you're going to have some images in here, your personal information to be here, and maybe some properties added to the page. This is for hospitality. If you are building blogs for hospitality, that you are running your own business, it's probably good to have something like this to actually talk about hospitality domain, and then looks very nice, very professional. Let's see what we got here. We got the recruitment. Most businesses nowadays, they don't even do that, and then it's very annoying when you apply for jobs. I did apply myself for a few jobs as a test, and then very low percentage they actually got back to me with anything. What is this? Yeah, this is another style that actually works. It's more, it has animated part in it. Here we have few bad example businesses. I did really put them out there, but then I realized that it's not nice to actually bash people. So I did approach the businesses that their website looked like from 95 websites, and I did poach them, but they said they are good. That means their business runs very well. They don't care about the interface, they don't care about anything else. As long as they're busy, one-man army, they do the jobs, get paid, he's happy. So there's nothing wrong with that. Now we have proper websites. So they have the page, they have the presentation, it has clear CDA. You actually can find all the information that they talk about, you can find it there. They have clear pricing. It's not give me a call to actually give you a quote. It's very simple stuff. Say you have an emergency, call this number, we'll get to you right away. They answer the phone, they have a phone in there, they can give you a quote, they look nice, everything is on the page, so you can check them out. I'm not affiliated with them, I don't work with them, I do not know them. I just did some research and then I found them and I just put them here as an example. If you are watching this, well done, the websites look amazing. And then it's very good that you are honest people, and then you actually put in there the actual real business, and then you put real contacts and real photos and real reviews, not all this fake. So here is what we actually offer: booking ready website, receptionist, and job automation. A lot of businesses, they say, yeah, message me, whatever, and I quote you, and then they get back to you after 24, 48 hours or whatever. They have enough time to actually go through the quoting procedure. Therefore, you can actually automate based on the images, information, whatever the user send, and say, hey, I have this pipe broken. You send a picture, and they automatically say, it's the pipe, just stop the water, whatever you tell them to do. Stay safe until you get there. You give them the code automatically. You dispatch the person to actually do the job, and that's pretty much it. So you just eliminate a lot of friction in between you taking a look at the photo, taking a look at the pricing codes, taking a look there, and then come up with a plan and stuff like that. That person that is doing this, he could have done something else, or it could be on the phone, or he could have closing deals, or whatever the case is. But obviously not for something that can be automated. It's not that there is no human interaction. There will be human interaction. We can approve it. As soon as it comes, they say, oh, this one we need to charge X. No problem, go for it. So this is what we built. We built this one, the live app. A lot of people don't like it. I think it's cool. You learn a lot from it. But in the future, that's what it's going to be. Chauffeur operational system. It has everything included. You just copy paste a few things, and then you have a phone AI agent, you have a full booking system, you have a website booking assistant, you have manual booking widget as well. And then what you have in there, you have the full track of the jobs. It's very comprehensive, so I'm gonna have to make a video about that one as well. So this is pretty much it. This is an example of a landing page or a web page that anyone can actually build. This is another example. Different style, different colors, pretty much same style like the one before. Here we have the cover ones, the bad ones. Here we have the good ones. Everything is animated. It comes up nicely, very clean. Here we go. That's it. This can be yours. This is the same like that one, different style. So I wanted to make it in 3 different styles. So this is pretty much the same, different theme. There we go. Pretty cool. I like it. This is top safe. This is not a product. This is what I actually wanted to do with this. But I seem to fail when I want to help people, when I want to help humanity. I seem to fail because nobody actually cares. So what happens, a lot of skimming operations are going on all over the world, in the United States, everywhere. In Australia alone, it is 1.6 billion from 2004. No, 2014. So in 2 years, it's 1.6 billion in skimming. So there are very simple ways to actually protect yourself from this, but it's not in the hands of the consumer. You can have an app. There is an Android app, which is for everyone, but people actually not using it. The banks don't want to build anything like that because it's not a problem, because they're not the one paying. If they order something with the card, they will get money back from the vendor. It's cycle, insurance, so it's more people involved in that. So there's not one problem that needs to be solved. It's the problem for everyone. So nobody wants to actually take action to fix it because it's not a specific problem to one person. What's actually annoying is that a lot of people fall into these traps. All the ATMs, so every scanner has to be checked. Everyone who's running businesses, they have to be educated how to check it. And then boom, done. It's gonna be over? No. It's gonna be minimized? Yes. It's gonna be more safe people to actually go and purchase. Whenever you tap the card, you have your card in your pocket. Nowadays they can go with the phone with an FHA open. They can take money from your card under $10 or whatever the number is, which is pretty stupid, but it is what it is. So my whole idea for this was to actually help people. So I wanted to see how many people are interested in actually solving this problem, not necessarily generating revenue, but to a community project that will actually be beneficial for people. It's not just I'm building to make millions. A lot of people they want to do that. Yeah, of course, it's focusing on things that makes millions. I lost a lot of jobs just because I was honest. I'll take your money, and then I will start building whatever is on the piece of paper, and then it's not gonna be what you want. First of all, it's more complex than just I will do that for you. But then where the lead goes, how the leads are handled, if you build an AI system, say I'll build for real estate or for whatever. It just doesn't work like that. Yeah, okay, you write a sentence about you or about your business, about your product or about your menu or whatever, and then you have a backend for the menu. So every time you change the menu updates. And if I say something like that to someone, I say, yeah, but no, it's okay, don't worry about it. And then they prefer to pay $500 a month for someone and then just take a booking and then put it somewhere else. And then you need to put it in your booking system. So that's why I built the chauffeur. Is already all is connected into one spot. So it has a backend, the phone connected straight in there. The phone already knows exactly who you are, what you do, what type of car you have, what do you run. It knows everything. So you don't have to train. You don't have to go through the learning curve to actually learn anything because it's already made for the specific niche. That's what I try to explain to people, and then I lost a lot of business because I didn't lie, and I should have said, "Yeah, I can do that for you. Yeah, no problem. Take the money, and then have a monthly recurring revenue," which is not fair. But a lot of people do that, so I don't know. Maybe I need to learn how to a lot of templates. You just need to be creative. Just to wrap this up, I just wanted to show you what's possible. There's so many of them here to have an idea and say, oh, I like that, or I like the other one better. Just pick up anything you want from here. You can fit them all in under demos.aiplaygrounds.xyz. So it's under the subdomain on my website. Just go here. You want from here, go on here, click copy. But be aware, it's more than just I built a website or I built an app. There is a lot of security issues. There is a lot of little things that need to be aware of. So it's not gonna fix your business. The AI is moving very quick. What you need to do is reach out to someone that knows how to use AI, ask for help, pay them to actually teach you something good and valuable, and then everything will just click. The foundation, and the foundation will always stay there in the project, and then every time you have a question about that specific area of concern, you just go in there and ask the question, and then it will go straight to the point. It's as simple as that. You don't need no extra layers. You don't need to pay thousands for anyone. It's literally just prompting and context. That's it. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.